Hi, I'm Miss Simons. I'm your online instructor for this semester. Let me start at the beginning and then I'll tell you what to expect. The very first thing you need to do now that you've accessed the Blackboard site and found this video is to print and read the syllabus. It is a contract between yourself, the student, and me, the instructor. I try very, very hard to stay true to the syllabus, and I expect you to do the same thing. The second thing you need to find and print out, which is also under the same tab as the syllabus, is the tentative course schedule. This is very important that you print this out and you stick it somewhere near your computer because you need to follow this. Weeks are Monday 8 a.m. to Monday 8 a.m. So you get 7 full days to complete the assignments. And I really have tried hard not to overwhelm you with too many things in 1 week. It is important that you stay within this week because I do not grant extensions. Too many students emailed me last semester asking for extensions, and this is not my only teaching job, and this is not the only thing on my plate, and by granting one student an extension, I have to grant all my students an extension, and I just don't have time in my life to do that. Second thing is, if you don't log in once a week and complete an assignment, you are absent. This hurts you financially, especially if you're filling out the Pell Grant thing, because they might want their money back if you're not attending class. So you need to attend class on a weekly basis and complete at least one assignment. Let me give you a hint. Complete the assignment that's worth the most amount of points. So if you have a test and a discussion board in 1 week, I would highly urge you to complete the test before you complete the discussion board. Okay? Tips to success in my class is A, do log in and complete the assignments. B, do not wait until Sunday night to complete the assignments. I sleep. My boyfriend makes fun of me because I fall asleep around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at the latest on Sunday night. And I do not get up until 6 a.m., 7 a.m. in the morning. And so I will not have time to fix your problem before the assignments are due. So do not wait until Sunday. In fact, my rule of thumb is do stuff earlier in the week so you can enjoy your weekend and not have to worry about hitting that 8 a.m. Monday deadline. Second thing is I tend to grade Monday morning, maybe Monday afternoon, Tuesday at the latest. Okay, so your grades will be reflected on Blackboard, so you should know how you are doing throughout the semester. If you didn't get a grade, perhaps you didn't complete the assignment. Okay, second thing for tips for success is to read as well as write and take my comments seriously. If you're not doing well on the journal entries, read my comments and find out why. Third thing is I'm not in North Carolina. And how do I say this? I used to teach for Coastal Community College. I taught there full-time from January 2005 until June 2007. I left my job at Coastal to go back to school, and I am weeks away from defending my dissertation, a 161-page document, and becoming a doctor of communication. So I am in Missouri. So if you have questions, the only way to get in contact with me right now is email. If you have Skype, at a later date we can set up a Skype talk and I'll be happy to meet with you face-to-face that way. But I am not in North Carolina, and because of my schedule this semester, there is no way I can get to North Carolina and hold a week of office hours. So I suggest you email me either at the Coastal address, which I don't check as frequently as my Gmail address. Okay? Is there anything else? So you have journals, you have blogs, you have discussion boards, and you have exams, and you have 6 exams. Each exam covers a module. Okay, the next thing I'd like to do is this app on my computer is new to me, but I do hope to use this app more frequently and post video lectures into the modules so I can break down and give real-life examples of some of the concepts that Wood discusses in her book. Hopefully this will help you understand the material. And finally, about the exams. I get the exams from a test bank that came with the instructor's edition of the book. I know that these exam questions are not perfect. I do curve the exams. If more than half the class misses a question, you get that point back. So please do not freak out about your final grade on your exam until after I post an announcement saying how much I have curved it. Some exams have been curved as much as 5 points, as few as 2. Okay? So, just an FYI, I do that. I do try to factor in holidays. I did factor in spring break, so you have no assignments on spring break, but you have stuff to do before spring break. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at the coastal address or at my Gmail address, which is listed on the syllabus. And happy spring 2012.